So you have a WordPress website or you run an e-commerce store hosted on WordPress, but the issue is whenever your customers place order for your product, you do not get email notification. The issue is actually from your web hosting company. Now here is the thing, by default WordPress actually sends out emails using PHP mail function. You get it now? So what you need to do is to set up your SMTP server. Now this SMTP server is more or less like a protocol that you can use to send out emails. So I don't want to really go into the technical details so you not get confused. So in this training I will show you how you can fix this error. Either you are using Gravity Forms, Contact Form 7, WP Form, just name it Elementor Form. I will show you how you can actually fix this issue and you'll be able to get email notification for every orders that come into your store. Okay, without wasting our time, let's just get started. Welcome back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, so whenever I drop new content you get notified first. I discuss topics related to WordPress, Canva, Facebook advertisements, Elementor and the likes. All of this will help you make more money, save more money, and also save you time and energy. We also discuss complex tech concepts in a way you will understand even if you are a newbie. So hit the subscribe button below now and also turn on the bell notification. Okay, back to our training. Now the first thing you need to do is to install this WordPress plugin. Now it is this WordPress plugin that we use to configure our SMTP server so we can send out emails without any issues, emails that get delivered to the recipient. You get it now? So the name of the plugin is Easy WP SMTP. So that's the name of the plugin. So let's just install it. Easy WP SMTP. Okay, so just type. You see there are many plugins that do this same thing, but trust me, I've been using this for about 2 years now, and I've explained and show my students it works. You don't need to do some complex stuff. It works. So that's why I've been using it for more than 2 years. I still use it. Can you see? Okay, it has been activated. Okay, so now when you come here, click the install now button and install and activate the plugin. Now the next thing you do after activating the plugin, okay, so let me just, when you activate the plugin, just come down to settings, then you see Easy WP SMTP. So the configuration won't take us time. It's kind of easy. I'll just give you what you have to type. You get it now, so you don't get confused. Alright, so now once you have successfully installed the plugin, the next thing you should do is to create a custom or professional email. You get it now? So how do you do that? You log into your cPanel. So let me log into my cPanel. Log into your cPanel to create the email, and I'm very sure you know how to do that. Okay, so let me just show you how to do that. Now after you have logged in to your cPanel, scroll down to the email section, then locate the email account. Click on or select the email account. So what you are trying to do is to create the email, the custom email, because that's what we used to set up our SMTP server. Sorry, the network is kind of bad, like really bad. Just bear with me. Okay, so click on create. click on create here. Then you select the domain that you are creating for. So I'm creating for adelikesamuel.com, which is my personal domain. Then the username, now you can use anything, like anything at all. So let me think of, you can use form@yourdomain.com. So probably I've created something like that. So let me just think of something else just for this tutorial. Let me just use demo. Yeah, demo@adelikesamuel.com. Then you set your password. Now please make sure you know this password, like you note it down, because we will need it. So I have created the password, so you can start to select storage space unlimited, then click on create, and that's all. Can you see? So we have created the custom email. Now what you do is go back to your WordPress website and go to the EasyWP SMTP page. Go back to that page. Now what do you do? Now first thing here is from email address. Listen, I'll just tell you what you have to input inside all these form fields. I don't want to waste our time. Just get this. This one I've been using for more than 2 years. That's just the funniest thing. Same settings, same configuration, only change the email address and the password. That's all. So let me enter the new email that we just created, which is demo@adelikesamuel.com. From name, you can just put your website name there. You get it now? Put your website name. Reply to email address, you can put your email address there, but I don't really need that. You can fill all of those stuff there. SMTP host, leave it as local host. Type of verification, leave it as none. SMTP port, just input 25. Now SMTP authentication, select yes. Just use the settings as I've been using it. I don't want to bore you with technical jargons and the likes. You get it now? So just use the settings, it will work for you, trust me. Now SMTP username, use same email address that I use here. You get it now? So let me just input the demo. Then SMTP password, the password I used. So just input that same password. Sorry, I need to be very sure that I am typing the correct password. Okay, so what do? Just click on save changes. Save changes. Can you see settings save? Now once you are done with the configuration, the next thing you do is to test the email, to test if this is actually working. You get it now? So I just send a test email to confirm if your setup is correct. You get it now? So let me click on this send test email, so you will know whether we have successfully set up and configured the SMTP server or not. So let me click on it. So it is loading. Awesome. Can you see? Test email was successfully sent. No errors occurred during the process. So can you see the pop-up here? I got the email notification immediately. You get it now? So if you also test your email and you got this notification, trust me, you are settled. Now let me do something here. Let me try to use a different password. You get it now? So let's see if it will still work. So let me click on save changes. So let's see if it will still work or not. Now let's go back to our test email. So let's see if it will work now. I changed the password. Can you see? So if you make any mistake inputting the wrong details, feeding the system with the wrong details, you will also get this same error message. So that's why I said, while you are creating your email address, your custom email address, make sure you note down the email address and also the password. These are the two key information that you need. Do you hear it now? So let me go back. Can you see the difference now? So let me go back to my SMTP settings and input the correct login details, the correct password I mean. Then click on save changes. Okay, awesome. So let's test the email again. Test email. So let's see what happens. Perfect. Can you see? Test email was successfully sent. Can you see? I received the email. So when you do it this way, you are sure of getting every email notification whenever your customers place order on your store. So this is the tutorial is very simple to follow and understand. That's all. Just use the settings. Now, peradventure, after doing all of this, you are still not getting the right. It's still not working for you. What you need to do is contact your web hosting company to help you fix it up. But 90% of the time, it will work for you. Please, if you got value from this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment on this video if you truly got value, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.